This is a late 80s heritage Alexis ceiling fan that's in our kitchen. Some cobweb action going on in it. Let me turn it on high. Medium. And low. So my hands are jerky. It's because my arms keep getting tired. There's on low speed. And OFF goes off. I'm going to turn it on the opposite direction by this switch. So high. And it spins, slinging dust everywhere, but see, it's going crazy, it's a bit unbalanced. It spins a bit faster on intake for some reason. Look at it go. So medium intake. Damn, this thing is putting dust everywhere. One slow. And off. OFF was off. You see the light kit is broken. What happened is he had a globe that went right here, but it fell down and broke on the floor. Then stop it. See, there's a wicker pattern in the blades. Just close up of the motor. There's a dishwasher at the top of the blades. It's probably really dusty in there. This fan was made in Taiwan, probably in the late 80s. I think it's in the late 80s, and it's covered in dust. I'm gonna need to vacuum. I'm gonna need to vacuum it off of the Electrolux. And that will be for next video.